Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make product video ads from scratch for free using your phone. So there are two ways to make video ads. The first way is the dropshipping way, which is suitable for most beginners. That is to source these video clips from YouTube, Facebook, AliExpress and compile them to make the product video. The second way is to actually buy the product and then shoot the video and then make the product video ad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can source the video ads from YouTube, Facebook, AliExpress and stuff and then edit it. For beginners, this is the quickest way to test a product, whether a product works or not. And in one of my upcoming video, I will show you how you can shoot professional video from your phone without having to buy expensive camera and light. So if you are excited and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. Before you make the product video ad, make sure you write down the main benefits of the product. Keep in mind there is a difference between benefits and features. I will give you an example so that you understand the difference. So, saying things like this product is 10 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters high is like talking the features of the product. Of course, when you say that, we know it is small. But instead of that, you can just say the product is lightweight and portable, and this is the benefit of the product. So when you write down the main benefit of the product, make sure you write it in a way how it's going to benefit the customer rather than talking about the length and weight. And also when you write the main benefits of the product, make sure it is not long, it is short and also descriptive. But a good video ad doesn't mean anything if you have a bad store. So how do you create a good dropshipping store? Simply use the theme Debutify. Debutify is free to install, but you can always upgrade depending on your needs. It has all the features required for success in e-commerce in 2021. It has things like volume discount, buy 2 get 10% off, buy 3 get 15% off. It has product bundles, it has sticky add to cart, it has cart upsell, it has cart countdown, it has currency converter, it has automatic geolocation, it has trust seals and badges. And these are just a few. It has more than 30 plus add-ons which can make your store look more branded and professional and help you stand out from the competition. So if you are looking to upgrade your store, definitely try the theme Debutify. It is free to install and you can upgrade whenever you want. I'm gonna link Debutify down below. Okay, back to making the video ad. The first step is to source video from YouTube, Facebook, AliExpress and stuff. So how do you find videos on YouTube? Simple, just search the name of the product on YouTube. After you search the product name on YouTube, a lot of videos will obviously come up and make sure you watch a lot of them. And once you find a good part of the video, you have to download the video. It doesn't matter if the video is bad overall, as long as you can find a good part in the video, you can use the video. To download YouTube videos, simply go to a website called ytdownload.xyz and there you can just paste the YouTube link and download the video. The next source we will use to get videos is Facebook, Vimeo and AliExpress. Even if the video you found on AliExpress has some Chinese text or logo, don't worry, because in the video editing app we will be cropping out those logos, so it's no big deal. So how do you download videos from Facebook, Vimeo and AliExpress? It's simple. Simply go to App Store or Play Store and type the word video downloading app and you will see a bunch of apps which can download videos and any of them will work perfectly fine. And if you don't want to do it from your phone, you can simply use a Chrome extension and there are dozens of Chrome extensions which can download videos from web page. So you can use any of the Chrome extension and download. Now I'm gonna give you some tips to help you find the videos much easier. The first tip is to actually search different keywords. Okay, let's take an example and let's say this is the product you are selling. The original name of this product is called minifan. So in YouTube you can obviously search minifan. That way some videos will come up. And then you can also search mini ear cooler. And then you can also search double blade fan because it has this double blade. So whatever it is, don't give up, search different keywords. That is the way to find good videos. The second tip is actually to use stock footages. For example, if you are selling a product which will cure headache, you can have a stock footage of someone having headache. Or maybe if you are selling a fitness product, you can have a stock footage of someone working out. And how do you get this stock footage for free? There are two websites which offer stock footages for free. The first is pexels.com, Pexels.com. The next is Pixabay, Pixabay.com. Using these two websites, you can find a lot of stock footages. So those are the tips. Now let's move on to actually editing the video. Once you have downloaded these good videos, it is very easy to actually edit the video. To create the video ad, we will use an app called Insert. It is available for both iOS and Android. So after you download all the videos from YouTube, Facebook, Stock Image, Vimeo, AliExpress and stuff, just import the video into Insert. And then the first step you have to do is to cut and trim down to the good parts of the video. It's very simple within Insert to edit the video. You just can split it and then you just can pull your finger left and right to trim the videos. Once you trim down to the good parts of the video, make sure there is no Chinese text or any symbols, and if you find any, you just can crop the video. And to crop the video, it's really simple. Simply tap on the crop and then you just can crop. So you can crop out any logos or Chinese text, whatever. And after that, all you have to do is add the main benefits you created before making the video ad. So for each benefit, make sure you add it in a clip which is relevant to the benefit. So to add text, you can simply tap text in Insert and then you just type whatever the benefit it is, and then you can customize the style, the color, the alignment, and all those things, the size. It's that simple. You can also customize the animation, how the text is going to come up on the screen, how it will get displayed, the in animation, the out animation. It's quite simple. So after you add the text on these different clips, you are good. Now you have a video ad with all these good clips and all these benefits displayed on the screen. And then after this, all you have to do is remove the Insert watermark. How do you remove that? Simple. You can remove it just by watching an ad. So you just do free remove, and then after you do the free remove, it's just going to remove it after you watch the ad. And then just click on save, and then you just can choose the 1080p resolution, 30 fps, and then save it. Now you have a good video ad created for free using your phone. Although this sounds simple, this will be challenging for some of you, especially if this is the first time you are editing. You may find it extremely difficult, and if that's the case, and if the video you make is not up to the mark, simply outsource it. A bad video is not going to do anything, even if your website is good, even if your marketing strategy is good. So don't be afraid, just outsource it if you are extremely bad at it. So you can simply go to my Fiverr profile, fiverr.com/Renson, and make my team do the job for you. Or you can go to ecommercewinners.com and make an order request. And like I said in the beginning of the video, in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to shoot professional video from your smartphone without having to buy expensive cameras or lights. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. See you and bye.